So in this video we will be learning about quadratic expressions. Now most of my friends struggle with quadratic expressions, so I thought of making this video to help some of you out. Now before we start, we have to know what an expression is. An expression is any number connected by one or more operations. So in this expression you can see there are two numbers, a 2a, 2a and 4. Now these two numbers are connected by the operation which is addition. Now a special feature of expressions is that they do not have a right side. As you can see below, we have an equation. You know it's an equation because there's an equal sign. Now as you can see, the equation has a right hand side. You can see 6 on the right hand side, but in an expression it doesn't have that. So now you know what an expression is. I think you will be able to choose the expression out of these two numbers. So 2a plus 6 equals 8 and 4b minus c. Now which one of these is an expression? If you guess the second one, then you are correct. So let's move on. Now to the main focus of our video, quadratics. As you can see, the quadratics usually follow this pattern: ax squared plus bx plus c. Now the symbols can change, but this is how it usually goes. I'll give an example for a quadratic, which is x squared plus 7x plus 10. And as you can see, x squared over here, 7x over here and 10 over here. So it follows our pattern. Now let's see how quadratics are made. So quadratics are made by expanding brackets, and as you know, to expand a bracket you had to multiply it by the number in front. So we'll just expand this set of brackets, which is 6 times 3x will be 18x plus 2 plus 6 times 2, which is 12. Quadratics are made using two sets of brackets. It looks something like this. So x plus 2, x plus 3. As you can see, double brackets. Now that's simple. Let's expand this. Now there's a method to do. There's a method to expand these, and it's called foiling. So as you can see, this is how foiling works. We start by first, outside, inside and last. So we'll foil these two sets of brackets or expand them. So x times x will be x squared plus x times 5 would be 5x, and then we have 2 times x, which will be 2x, plus 2 times 5, which will be 10. Now we can simplify the two x's over here. So x squared plus 7x plus 10. And as you can see, this has now become a quadratic. So now that you know how they are made, why don't you try out this one? Please feel free to pause the video and try this out yourself. Okay, so I will just explain this. So x times x we'll use the FOIL method. So x is first, then we go to 3, which will be outside, 3 and x, which will be the inside, and 3 and 3, which will be the last. So x times x will be x squared plus x times the 3 will be 3x, and then again x times 3 will be 3x, and 3 times 3 will be 9. Again we can simplify these two, so it will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. I hope you got it correct. Now let's expand some more brackets, but with two different symbols this time. Over here we have the plus symbol, and over here we have the minus symbol. So how do we expand these types of brackets? Now as we did before, we'll use the FOIL method. So we'll go with the first, outside, inside and last. So x times x will be x squared, x times minus 2 will be minus 2x, and 2 times x will be plus 2x, and plus 2x times minus 2x will be minus 4, because these are two unlike signs or opposite signs, so they make a minus. Now we can simplify these two by making it, it'll become 0, so the answer will be x squared minus 4. Okay, then can you try this one? I'll give you some. Please feel free to pause the video and try this one out yourself. So now let's solve this, and as you can remember, using the FOIL technique. So first, outside, inside, last. Now x times x will be x squared plus, minus, because it's minus 2, so it becomes minus 2x, then plus 3x, and plus 3 times minus 2 will be, minus 3x, plus 3 times minus 2 will become minus 6. So now again we can simplify these, x squared, and 2 minus 3 will be 1, and since 3 is the greater value and it has a plus symbol, we usually take the symbol of the greater one, so it will become plus 1, but we don't 1x, but we don't usually write 1 in front of unknown terms, so we just keep it as x and minus 6, and this is the answer. I hope you got it correct. Now this is the last question. I try to figure it out yourself, and if you try, feel free to pause the video, try it out yourself, and if you feel stuck, you can just continue watching. So now let's solve this. We'll do the FOIL method once again. So first, outside, inside, and last. So 2x times x, which will make 2x squared. Now 2x times 2, which will make 4x, and 3 times x will make 3x, and 3 times 2 will make 6. So we can simplify these two. It will become 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. I hope you got this question correct, and that will be it for this video, and thank you for watching. I'll make a part 2 to factorize quadratic expressions, and thank you for watching.